The city of South Portland is making some political history. Deqa Dhalac was sworn in last night as the newest city councilor in South Portland after she defeated a longtime local business owner in Tuesday's special election.
Dhalac is believed to be the first African American and first Muslim to be elected to the city council. But as News Center's Shannon Moss shows us, she is just one of many women making their mark in the changing world of Maine politics.
I solemnly swear. I solemnly swear.
Daqa Dhalac, originally from Somalia, is a U.S. citizen, a social worker with 2 master's degrees, and a single mother of 3. She is also the newest member of the South Portland City Council, representing District 5.
I'm extremely excited, and I'm so honored and humbled by the people of South Portland to vote and put their trust in me.
Dhalac got more than 2/3 of the vote in the race against longtime business owner Donald Cook, a special election that brought out a large number of voters.
The campaign was all about love. You know, we knocked over 2,000 doors. We talked to a lot of my neighbors, and we were just asking them, what do you need for us to work on if I get elected?
Dhalac takes great pride being the first Muslim and woman of color elected to the council.
Everybody was just excited to see different representation, different voices in the city council. A lot of people were like, okay, it's time.
Dhalac hopes her victory empowers other immigrants in Maine.
There was a young Muslim girl who wrote a letter saying that thank you so much for being the first Somalian to become a city councilor.
Dhalac isn't the only woman breaking down barriers. In 2017, Samantha Parody unseated long-term Belfast Mayor Walter Ash to become the youngest and first queer mayor of the Mid-Coast city. In November, 28-year-old Sarah Nichols was re-elected to the Bangor City Council and was unanimously elected council chair, the youngest ever.
Having such a wide age range has actually been really positive and a shift from prior years.
Dhalac says it's diversity that will help communities build bridges.
When we sit together and eat together and drink together, we have so much in common than differences.
Making a difference for the city of South Portland is what Dhalac is determined to do. Shannon Moss, News Center, Maine.
And moving forward, Dhalac would like to focus on improving the city's education system and to develop